ओके, तो अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं? वी आर on the second part of our bash scripting. So how we can pass a input argument? So passing input argument is easy. So like this script I have written here. So as always, अभी हम यहाँ पे क्या करने वाले हैं? bash shebang line, and then what we need to do is कि we will write the function here. Function, what we are writing, function is passing input, and this passing input is starting with curly brackets. So here is our function, then function name, and then inside logic. And in logic we just want to see the argument which we are passing here. So this is the first function that we can echo command to print anything, and this is simply a function which we are writing here. This is the main part which inside this square bracket we are writing, and this is dollar sign to represent this is a variable, and this one is basically first argument, so it will count it as first number whatever we will pass at the first. So like here we are passing first 2, so it will take this as first. Then we are passing the second argument, then this second argument will be 3. Okay, sorry for that. So this is not a second argument. If we see here, we have passed two argument, one, and this is the method which we are calling, and this is the one. So first is this one, then second argument is 2 3, so it will consider 2 3 as a second argument, and then we are printing all with the argument. Now we will save this, control s, control x, and then we have already given it permission chmod u plus x we can do, and passing input sh. Now all we need to do dot to run this script, and then it will run. Okay, we need to check the line 9. So we will check this function. So control, and then we can go to the line 9. So this is the method which we are calling passing input. So we have given here input, so that we need to change. Then we have to, now we can run this. So if we see here, this first function input argument we have passed 1, then second we have passed 2 3, and third with the argument. So how many argument we have passed, those it has shown. So this is how we can write first, second, and then number of argument if we want to, so check, then we can use this symbol. That's how, and then we will call the method, and then argument we need to pass. That's how we can pass the argument. That's then we can how we can show the output. So for that output we can simply this means a return statement can only signal a numerical exit status with value between 0 to 255. So output will come with the values between 0 and 255. So between these we can output with the exit code. So if we do not return an exit code, then bash will return the exit status of the last command enough. So whatever will be the last command input, like here this is the last command, so this output it will return. So we can see the example here. So like we can take any script. So this is our script which we have written here. So here this is the function output result, and we have declared a global variable, whatever variable. So this sum we are initializing with 0, we are defining outside the function will be considered as global variable. Then we can use anywhere in this outside the function, also inside also. So here this sum is equal, and then we can doing the calculation. So any calculation, this is when we will do the arithmetic operation, so where we can learn this, but here for simplicity we can understand like that. Like if any sum, divide, any type of mathematical operation we need to do, so dollar sign and then double brackets, inside that we can do the calculation, it will perform those calculation. Then we will call the function, and then we can pass this first and second argument as 1 and 2, and then it is printing the result. So that's all we need to do. So output is simply we can do through echo command. So it is shown sum is 0. Line 7 command not found, simple output. We need to modify this, that we can do, because okay it is sum is 3. That's how we can do. Another, let's see what we have done in another. So it is also the same one. Okay, I have, okay, that is the correct one. With previous one I think it was having some issues, so that is how we can write this script here. So that's how we can print outside whatever we want to print. So last command output we receive. Now another point is like how we can pass the argument reference. So argument reference is basically this. Okay, we will write the code first, then we will see that. So basically here this is our function, and what we are doing is declare this sum ref. So this is taking the third argument, and then it is the alias which it is considering, and then we can pass here. So the third position, so basically one is for first position, second is for this position, and third is for sum, and that's how it will take the reference, and then we can print that sum. Sum is 3. So that's how we can pass it. Yeah, so that's it for for function passing input and referencing them. Yeah, thank you.